New update has begun rolling out for the TicWatch Pro 5, the latest wearable smartwatch from Mobvoi. The update was detailed on the Mobvoi's official Facebook page and has since been spotted by some users on Reddit. The build ending with 0.003 bumps up the security patch to the latest July 2023 version and has begun rolling up to users, but it may take a few days to reach every TicWatch Pro 5 users. It's expected to reach 20% of the devices by June 29th, and by July 1st it should reach 100% of the users. Some of the things which they claim is that there are several bug fixes that should improve the experiences. They will allow alarms to function even when the device is locked, improve the responsiveness of the OLED screen by increasing the speed of the tilt to wake up feature, getting the latest security patch, ensuring overall stability of the system to minimize any potential issues. It resolved an issue where the audio might not be heard by the other party, fixed about the cost, difficulties in customizing pictures. But the main thing what people are waiting for is Google Assistant, that is still not come. But after a lengthy wait, Google has finally expanded access to Assistant to smartwatches outside the Pixel Watch and Samsung Wear OS Galaxy watches. Only Fossil Gen 6 support, who has Wear OS 3, has an Assistant support. But Mobvoi should not be left behind. But they are lagging behind every other manufacturer of Wear OS smartwatches. Mobvoi claimed that they require more time to get the software to work with the proprietary hardware, but Mobvoi owners are getting impatient.